Interface and reliability. The Honor 10 comes with the latest Android 8.1 Oreo software on board, but it's hidden behind Huawei's own custom overlay, Emotion UI 8.1. That means the interface will look quite different to what you've seen on other phones, unless you've had a Huawei or Honor in the past, and it may take some getting used to. For example, by default there isn't an app drawer on the Honor 10. Instead you have to scroll through the main screens to organize your apps. You can tinker with the settings to add an app drawer, but it takes some know-how to find and enable the option. Emotion UI 8.1 looks much better than it did on Honor devices a few years ago, and there are plenty of customization options, so you can make it look how you want it to by changing your background, theme and more. Google Pay didn't work on the device we've been using, but the phone does come with NFC, so it should be able to support it. We'll be sure to test this again at the time of our full review when the phone should be running its final software.